case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2009 legal dispute, Lorenz v. Lorenz, the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division, came to a decision that emphasized a critical foundation of divorce proceedings: the equitable distribution of marital property and maintenance. Specifically, the court's decision pointed to the earning capacity and standard of living of both parties as essential factors in the process. The story began with the defendant, a disgruntled former husband, objecting to a lower court's order for him to pay his ex-wife a weekly maintenance fee of $500 during their divorce proceedings. He ardently claimed to the appellate court that his ex-wife was fully capable of supporting herself, insisting that the court overseeing their divorce had blundered in their decision. However, the lower court had amassed solid evidence contrary to his claims. They found that the plaintiff's potential to support herself was severely limited due to health issues and took into consideration the couple's standard of living during their long-term marriage, all of which refuted the defendant's allegations. Moreover, all claims regarding the plaintiff's alleged ability to support herself by way of retirement plans and investment accounts were summarily rejected. Shaking its head at the defendant's desperate plea for credit, the court stood its ground. The plaintiff would continue to receive her rightful $500 weekly maintenance. The appellate court did, however, put a time limit on these payments. They proceeded to direct the defendant to continue payments until the plaintiff began receiving Social Security benefits or reached the age of full Social Security entitlement, which was projected to be on February 23, 2019. The decision was a unanimous one, upheld by all judges: Mercure, Malone Jr., Kavanaugh, and McCarthy. It is a striking reminder of the equitable measures courts must take in such emotionally fraught matters. A balance tipped in favor of justice, not individual claims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.